rise. Food court now in session. The Honorable Crystal Nash presiding.
Members of the jury, your duty today is to determine whether it is possible to cook a southern pound of cornbread in an air fryer based solely on the facts and evidence presented in this case.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen for more air frying fun. Today's recipe was requested by Phil, who wanted to know if cornbread could be cooked in an air fryer. Now there's 3 things one should never discuss in a polite society: politics, religion, and cornbread recipes. You never know who you're going to offend, and people will fight you to the bitter end that their cornbread recipe is the one true correct way to cook cornbread. Some people use yellow meal, others prefer white cornmeal. Some people add sugar, and others don't. There are so many ways to cook cornbread, and some people even use the stuff that comes from a little blue box. It doesn't matter how you cook it as long as you enjoy it.
For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons self-rising cornmeal, 1 cup buttermilk, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons self-rising flour, and 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons oil.
I'm going to make 2 batches of cornbread. One with this special cast iron mold that my husband got for me, and another with a regular pan. You can cook your cornbread in anything as long as it fits in the air fryer.
Thoroughly grease your pan.
Do not use spray oil for this part. It will not work. You have to use regular oil. You can't make cornbread without cornmeal, and I prefer white self-rising cornmeal. Just going to get into it real quick, and then we can start. Do y'all hear that, or is it just me? That's strange. I could have swore I heard some music. Well, now I hear it again. Y'all, I think this is coming from a cornmeal bag. It is coming from my cornmeal bag. I knew Martha White was wonderful. Didn't know she was that wonderful.
Combine your cornmeal, flour, oil, and buttermilk.
Did you know that cornbread predates the American Revolution? The first peoples to cook cornbread were the Native Americans, who taught it to the settlers.
Pour your batter into your greased pan.
Spray your tinfoil with oil.
Don't forget to poke a hole in the top of your tinfoil to release steam. Bake covered for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Carefully lift your pan out of the air fryer basket and peel back your tinfoil. You can check for doneness by inserting a knife into the cornbread. Now you'll need to brown the top of the cornbread. Bake uncovered for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. The top of the cornbread has browned nicely. Now carefully flip your cornbread. Careful, it's hot. Cook this side of your cornbread for 10 minutes at 400 degrees or until you've reached your desired brownness.
Well, there you have it, folks. Cornbread from an air fryer. Oh my, doesn't she look fine? Now keep in mind that your cook time will vary depending on the performance of your air fryer and how wet or dry your cornbread mix is. This looks so good, all I need now is a slice of onion, some butter and beans, and I'll have myself a fine meal.
Members of the jury, you have heard the testimony presented in this recipe. It is now up to you to determine the facts. You and you alone are judges as to whether it is possible to cook southern cornbread in an air fryer. What say you?
Your Honor, we the jury find this cornbread to be lip-smacking good. Ain't that right, Arnold?
Leave your comments, recipe requests, and your verdict below. Jury, thank you for your service today. Food court is now adjourned.